For now, I didn't do anything for the second part. Otherwise, I'm gonna take last period's growth rate, last period's cash flow, 1 plus the period growth rate. I'm gonna raise that to the power fraction of period. And I'm gonna prorate the whole thing. Which means I will also multiply with the fraction of period. Right now it's integer, so let me make this 0.25 or 0.2512. Okay, that's the last one. In fact, that shouldn't be 4, it should be 3.014, but we'll correct that. After that is nothing, right? That's pretty much what I want. And that shouldn't be nothing. This should be let's see. If it's not the end, first check the following. If F7, which was the previous one, is exactly equal to number of hold periods, this is going to be number of periods otherwise F7 plus 1. And I'll make sure that these references are fixed. Well, it didn't do what I want. Oh, because yeah. Okay, I need to do another if here. If F7 is equal to number of hold periods, we'll do that. Otherwise 0. Oh yeah. Where am I making a mistake, guys? Let's do this again. if this period is greater than the total periods, let's make that 0, okay? Otherwise, if this period is equal to number of all periods, I'm going to get the previous payments times 1 plus the period growth rate. Let me also make these fixed references. Otherwise, that fraction times the previous payment times 1 plus the period growth rate raised to the power of that fraction. Okay, I multiplied the wrong thing, I think. Oh, should have been less than or equal to. Okay, now it makes sense. I know it's kind of a detail, but if you want a complete sheet, PV is simple. Take the cash flow, divide it by 1 plus period interest rate raised to the power number of periods. Let's do this. If the period is equal to end, 0, otherwise that. All right. Because over there I'm raising something to a non-numerical power, that's why it creates an error. Right now, I didn't use any of the balloon payments and or starting values. We could add the balloon. So let's do this. PV of periodic. Sum of all the PVs I got. I mean, I let until 243, but I'm gonna make it bigger. PV of balloon. Take the balloon payments, divide it by 1 plus the period interest rate raised to the power total number of periods. I don't know why by default it does euro. I don't think my region settings ask for that. So PV of annuity is simply equal to sum of the two. If I increase the growth rate, and let me make that 5. Because that's a very high growth rate, so payments do increase quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and increase this now that my computer is cooperating. Again, you can do it as long as you want. And probably missing something here.